Welcome, adventurer. The year is 2017. What a wonderful time to exist, where you, my friend, can quest anywhere. Whether you're exploring the hills of Mount Olympus or the foothills of the Wasatch Front, PC Laptops is your partner in your quest for fun. From the caverns of Sandy to the prairies of Provo to the urban jungle of Ogden, PC Laptops is with you every step of your journey.
Charizard!
Oh, shiz! But fear not, my friend. We've got your back at PC Laptops. Just stop by any of our convenient locations and we'll have most phones and tablets fixed within 15 minutes or less. Recharge your mana while you enjoy a complimentary refreshing beverage and a tasty snack. Because you deserve first class. Your epic Scepter of Zion will be back in action before you know it. PC Laptops, we love you!
Nice, gotcha.